Sari Stars, how are things going on in your saree world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have for you a beautiful collection of hand-woven Kanjivaram silk sarees. These sarees are perfect for your year-end festivities. They're also perfect for Pongal and Sankranti, which are just around the corner. So let's get started with this beautiful collection. A Kanjivaram silk saree with very unique motifs. The color combination of the saree is also unique. A very pretty purple Kanjivaram silk saree. This saree has unique motifs of lotus and other floral motifs in a very different kind of design. The saree doesn't have borders. There is a short colored selvage and a stripe of zari along the edges. The pallu of the saree is in grey and it has seepareke in zari. This combination of purple with grey is very unique, very different and very, very elegant. The blouse fabric of the sari is in grey. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with pearl jewelry. A very elegant Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a gorgeous shade of short golden yellow. A stunning short golden colored Kanjivaram silk sari. This one reminds us of the actor Rekha. It's a beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of the sari has elephant or yana motifs and coin shaped zari motifs all over it. The borders of the sari have quilkand motifs in zari. The grand and exquisite pallu of the sari has yana that is elephant, kudara that is horses and banaras motifs in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or given the versatile color of the sari, you can pair it with a contrast blouse in a rich magenta, deep purple or royal blue. Accessorize it with contrasting jewelry. A classic rettapete Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in an earthy shade of terracotta. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a rich and beautiful shade of terracotta maroon color. The body of the sari has zari buttas all over it. The sari has rettapete borders in zari and these borders enhance the look of this classic sari. The pallu of the sari has zari bands and zari lines. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a contrast tissue blouse. You can accessorize this sari with traditional gold jewelry. A breathtaking Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is a Kai Korvai Kanjivaram in a gorgeous combination. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a vintage color combo. This one is a Kai Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of the sari is in a gorgeous short rose green and there are zari buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders of the sari are in a combination of rich magenta and short peachish color and there are zari motifs, quill-cut motifs on the borders. The magenta pallu of the sari has quill-cut motifs in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in a rich, deep magenta. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with diamond jewelry. An exquisite Kanjivaram silk sari. This one has meenakari all over it. A fabulous rust orange Kanjivaram silk sari. This one has meenakari in green and zari all over the body of the sari. The borders of the sari have Banaras motifs in zari. The grand pallu of the sari has Mailkand motifs and Man motifs in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a contrast green blouse. You can accessorize this sari with lovely green jewelry. A beautiful bottle green Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is just perfect for all kinds of special occasions. A gorgeous green Kanjivaram silk sari. This one has small zari buttas all over the body. The borders have Vanki motifs in zari and there is a band of mustard on one side and a band of Rani pink on the other side which elevate the beauty of the sari. The grand pallu of the sari have manga or paisley motifs and diamond shaped motifs all in zari. The sari has a lovely pink blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with a ruby necklace. Kanjivaram silk sarees are perfect for special occasions and events. To shop for our collection of hand-woven Kanjivaram silk sarees with pure zari, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more sarees and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.